ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Honorable guests, respectable teachers and my sisters, today I am very glad to get a chance to deliver a speech before you on the topic, how can change our life by education. So, I hope that you will listen to me carefully. My sisters, education is the very important thing for everyone in this life. Education is candid. A man cannot get real way of life without education. We cannot make difference between right and wrong without education. The first thing that strikes me about education is knowledge gap. Education gives us the knowledge of the world around us and changes it into something better. It helps us to build opinions and have point of view on things in the life. Islam has ordered to get education in its first revelation. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. It means read in the name of Lord who created. The first word of the Quran, اقرأ, which comes on the earth from Hoئیں and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, peace be upon him, in the 7th century. It seems that Islam fully supports education, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. It means gaining of education is necessary for every Muslim. Education is the most important and powerful tools in this world. It's not about studying only for getting good marks. It's make a personality in you, the personality who can identify right or wrong, good or bad in situation. Women must be educated in a nation because they play very important role in nation's development. Empowered women can change a family and a society as well. So my sisters, without education, impossible to change your life. Education is a process of transferring knowledge, abilities, values, and skills from one person to another. My sisters, a society cannot be ideal without education. We cannot know about Allah and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Thus, education is very important thing. We should be ready for studying the education. But at last, I want to say that it is totally right and truth statement that without education, life is done. I pray to Allah we get the education and success all over the world. وما علينا إلا البلاغ. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Oh